So this is your AutoCAD environment. Okay, so here there are various tools. I don't use icons. I use what commands. Okay, so this cursor is my crosshair. Now there are few modes are important. This is ortho mode. Ortho mode will make my lines exactly horizontal or vertical. Okay. Now if you observe my these values, the length of the line is showing me something 1796. Okay. Forget about units. In AutoCAD, default units are in inches. Okay. In my laptop, I have set units to the millimeters. Okay. It's these changes I have done in my setting. Now what is problem here? If I click, if I want line of length 200 mm, so if I type here 200, it will appear very small. Okay, so then you can do zoom. Okay, you can do zoom in. Okay, you just have to move your cursor near to this line and then do zoom in and zoom out by scrolling your middle mouse wheel. If you're using laptop and if you don't have mouse, then you have to do it by touchpad. Okay, you have to use 2 fingers for zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now sometimes what will happen, suppose while zoom out, your line may get disappeared. Okay, so for that there is a command that is called as zoom all. Okay, so this zoom all command is Z, then enter, then A, then enter. Okay, now you can observe your line has appeared somewhere here. Okay, so this line is appeared here. This zoom all command um, will show you all items in a single screen, in the single window. Okay, so now if I want to make it visible on the screen, so I will drag this screen. So for that I am using pan command. Its command is P enter. Okay, and then drag it. If you are using mouse, then you can do it by pressing middle mouse wheel. Okay, so for that you don't require P enter. If you keep on pressing middle mouse wheel, you can move it. Okay, you are not actually moving the line, you are moving the screen. Okay, simultaneously you can do zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so I will show you again how to draw a line. L, enter, specify first point. Suppose I want line of 200 mm, so I have typed 200 and then press enter. Okay, see now my line is formed. Now I am still in line command. It will ask me to draw further line. So if you don't want to draw a line, or if you want to make some adjustment, better if you press escape, adjust your line. Okay, and you can draw the further drawings. Okay, so this is how to draw a line. Now let's make a rectangle from this line. Okay, so this line is already of 200. Now if you want to check whether this line is of what length, you can keep your cursor, you can click on this line. So there are 3 grip points. One is left end, second is right end, third is midpoint. Okay, so if you click on any of the left or right point, okay, so here if you click on this point, now it is showing me what is the length of the line. Okay, so it is showing me 200. Okay, so I will show you again how to draw this 200 mm line. L, enter, click on this point, give direction. Okay, for start point, then do not click anywhere, just give direction, then type distance, then press enter. Your line is formed. Okay, then press escape to come out of line command. Okay, now let's say I want to make a rectangle of 200 by 150 mm. So this line is already of 200. Okay, as you just move your cursor, don't need to click at the end point. You can observe this is the length of the line is 200. Now I can draw Suppose if I want to make a rectangle of 200 by 150. So 200 I already drawn. Now I want to uh, make a rectangle like this. Okay. So I will type L, then enter. Then it is asking me to start and click on the starting point. So this is my starting point. Okay. Now see this starting point or midpoint, it will show. See this triangle is a midpoint. Okay. It will only show if your this option is on. This is dynamo mode or dynamic input. Okay. If it is on, if it is off, and if you type L enter, okay, no, not this object snap. If it is off, and if you type L enter, okay, it will not show you. Dynamic input will show you the command. See, along my cursor, it is showing me uh, what to do next. Specify first point or anything. Okay. So here this object snap option must be on always. If you are not getting object snap or dynamic input or ortho here, then you can go in this settings, customization setting. If you click on this, you can see these all options. Okay, my dynamic input is on, ortho mode is on, polar tracking, isometric drafting, these all are on. Okay. So once I have drawn this line, my dynamic input is on, my object snap is on, and ortho is on. So I will do L enter. L enter, then click on this point, then go up. Here I will type height 150 mm. Now this length is going beyond screen, so I'm doing zoom out. Then just give direction. Left side 250, enter. Sorry, I don't want 250. So I can do Control Z. 200, enter. And then go down. See, I have not yet come out of line command. With a single line command, I have drawn these 3 lines. Okay. So with the single line command, I can draw a rectangle same as this. See, L enter, select this point, then give direction 200, enter, go up 150, enter, go left 200, enter, and go down. Okay. So this is how you can draw line command. Now, next we will see circle command. Before that, you practice for this. Acha, before this, let me show you how to draw inclined lines. For inclined lines, either you can switch off this ortho mode. It will be better for you. Okay. So suppose I am in line command, L enter. I want to join diagonals of this two corners of the rectangle. Okay. And again, I will do L enter. See, once I have drawn line command, to come out of line command, I have to press escape. Or you can press enter also. Okay. So this is how you can draw lines. Suppose if I want to draw an inclined line with some angle, then how you will draw? Suppose if I want to draw one inclined line here of length, let's say 200 mm inclined, and angle is 30 degrees. So L enter is a line command. So first go in line command, click, select your starting point. Now I'm taking starting point and let's say midpoint of this line. So this is my starting point. Give direction. See, my auto mode I have kept off because I want to draw inclined line. Now it is asking me 2 dimensions. It will ask me 2 dimensions. One is what? Length of the line, and second is its angle. So first it is asking me length. So if you observe, this length is changing and length is in blue color and the angle is in gray color. Okay. So first you have to type length. Let's say this length is 150. Chalo, we will take it 150. Okay. Then don't press enter. Press tab key. Okay. So if you have mistakenly press enter, then do undo Control Z. Okay. So see, L enter. Select this point. Set. Give some angle. Okay. Keep your ortho mode off. Ortho mode on off. You can either click directly or you can use function key F8. So this is 150, then press tab, 150 tab 30, and then press enter. Okay, so your line is formed. If you want to check, you can just select the line, move your cursor here, then you can observe there is a 150 mm and 30 degree line.